how to make a bookmark app on iPhone. Now, a typical bookmark would be that you would, let's say you added a bookmark to your browser, you would only be able to access them from your browser. But this particular bookmark right over here, this is not an app, this is a bookmark. So when I tap on it, it will open up that bookmark on my browser right here, as you can see. So this is not the app, but this is basically a shortcut of a certain website. So what I have to do to add something as a bookmark is, let's say I go to a certain site right over here. Once I go to a certain site, let's say I want to add this bookmark as an app on my home screen, right? All I have to do is tap on the share icon right over here on my iPhone, and once I've done that, over here you'll find Add Bookmark. But this is not what we want to do. Instead, what we want to do is tap on this option that says Add to Home Screen. So you can just tap on the Add to Home Screen button, simply go ahead and then give it a name, whatever you'll say. Just tap the Add button right there, and the bookmark will be added to your home screen on iPhone. This way you'll be able to make a bookmark app on iPhone. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.